Welcome back. Glad you could join me today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. You got your paints out, you're ready to paint along with me. I think you're going to enjoy this one. Let's start off and have them graphically run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with me. While they're doing that, let's go on up here and get started. I've already covered the canvas with liquid white and it's all wet and ready to go. So we can take right off today. I'm going to start right off with a little touch of the Prussian blue. Just a little bit. Just tap the brush right into it. Just a little. Reach over here and grab a little bit of the midnight black. Okay, let's go right up here. Now then, let's just dance in some happy little sky things here. Just using little X's, little crisscross strokes. Just sort of let that go and just have fun with it. Just have fun. Now the paint will mix with a liquid white and automatically, it'll get lighter in value as you work down toward the horizon. There. Maybe a little touch more right there. Okay. And that quick, you can have a basic little sky, just a little blue sky. And then very lightly, you just brush across to take out the brush strokes. Okay. Now then, let's take another brush. I have several going, so I don't have to spend all my time washing them. Let's go into titanium white. We'll make a happy little cloud. Pull that brush through the paint. I'm going to reach down and get a least little touch of the bright red. Just the least little touch. A lot of paint in the bristles here. Okay. Let's just come right up here and dance in a happy little cloud or two, wherever you want them. The old clock on the wall tells me it's time to leave you for today, but I'll be back again next time. So, as I finish putting these limbs on here, I'd like to wish you happy painting. God bless. Thanks for joining me.